the Jamaica Premier League continues to grow and grow, Power Brand Ray and Nephew is back as title sponsor. And of course, even without the full details, it's still great going into the new season to have title sponsor level sponsorship in the quest to elevate the Premier League product. Importantly, we're hearing of major plans for some much needed infrastructure upgrade as part of the sponsorship. But while we await the transition from announcement to black and cement, a little on the football itself, from the outside looking in, champions Mount Pleasant will be hard to beat this season. Apart from the major resource advantage and of course the new players acquired, looking at the other contending teams, and Gardens weakened, Tivoli, Waterhouse, Portmore rebuilding, Cavalier and Harbourview a little more settled. But even then, early settings, I think it's going to be hard to go around Mount Pleasant in the regular season and even to get them in the semi-final or the final. But as they say, the ball is rolling. The ball is rolling.